Hello students, welcome to my channel Concept and Application. In my last video, I have discussed about the differences between the concepts of progression and sequence. In this video, I am now going to discuss about different types of progressions. We have known that progression means sequence with a definite pattern. Right? So basically there are three types of progressions. One is arithmetic progression. Another one is geometric progression. And the third type is harmonic progression. Arithmetic progression in brief is known as AP, geometric progression is known as GP, and harmonic progression is known as HB. Our today's topic is arithmetic progression. In my next videos, I will be gradually discussing about the other types of progressions. So here in today's video, I am now going to discuss about arithmetic progression. Now let's discuss about arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? A particular progression of which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. Let's consider an example. Suppose I am taking a progression of this type: 1, 4, 7, 10, and so on. Just follow the terms of this progression. So here we find that this one is the first term, this one is the second term, this one is the third term, this one is the fourth term, and so on. So now here we get 1 is the first term. Now just observe the other terms of this progression. Here we find that 4 is obtained by adding 3 with the first term. 7 is obtained by adding 3 with the second term, where 7 is the third term. The fourth term, 10, is obtained by adding 3 with the third term, means with 7, and this way all the terms are obtained. So here each term of this progression is obtained by adding a fixed number. Here you can see that fixed number is 3, a fixed number to the preceding term. That is, in order to get the second term 4, we have to add 3 with the first term. In order to get the third term 7, we have to add 3, means the fixed term, fixed number with the second term. In order to get the fourth term, we have to add 3 with the third term. So here 3 is that fixed number, and each term of this progression is obtained just by adding this fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. So this progression gives an arithmetic progression. Okay. Now here, observing the terms, you can see that 4 minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 7, and so on. All these differences are equal to that fixed number, that is 3. So here 3 is the common difference. So 3 is called, means this fixed number is called the common difference. So if in general we consider an arithmetic progression of the form A1, A2, A3, so on, AN, so on, then we will find, just comparing to this progression, that here as 1 was the first term, so here A1 is the first term. A1 is the first term in this progression. And also if we get that if it is an AP, then obviously we will get that the differences between the mutual terms of this progression are equal to the same or fixed number. So here A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 equals to so on an minus 1, because the term preceding to n will obviously be an minus 1, will be equal to a fixed number. Suppose that fixed number is small d. So here this small d is called the common difference. And make sure, students, this first term and common difference, these two things are very important in the study of the arithmetic progression, because if you know the first term and common difference of any particular arithmetic progression, then the entire progression can be generated. Now let's consider the arithmetic progression again, which was 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. Where we know that the first term is 1. Now considering the second term 4, we get it is 1 plus 3. Now this can also be written as 1 plus 2 minus 1 into 3. Because 4 is the second term, so that's why position of 4 minus 1 into the common number, that is the common difference, fixed number, plus 1 will also give us the second term. Considering the third term we get, it can also be written as 1 plus 6 and can also be written as 1 plus 3 minus 1, because position of the term 7 was third position. So 3 minus 1 into that common difference, means into that fixed number, will also give us this third number. And you can test for the other terms also. So here we can get that each term of this progression, arithmetic progression, can be obtained by adding the first term with the product of the common difference and the difference between the position of the term minus 1. So following this pattern, if we write down a general format, then we will get that an, suppose an is the nth term of this arithmetic progression, then in general we can write that n can be obtained by a1, means the first term, plus position of this nth term is n minus 1 into the common difference, that is d. So this is the way of getting any particular term of an arithmetic progression. This is the formula of getting a particular term of an arithmetic progression. Now let's see an application of this formula. Find the 10th term of the AP. Here the given AP is 2, 7, 12 and so on. So here from this AP we get that 2 is the first term. And also following the other terms, we find that 7 minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 7. So all these differences are the same with 5. So here obviously 5 is the common difference. So common difference is 5. Now we want to get the 10th term of this arithmetic progression. So A10 or T10, whatever you can say, it denotes the 10th term of this progression, and hence by following this formula, we get that this 10th term will be obtained by 2, means the first term, plus 10 minus 1, means position of this term minus 1 into the common difference. So here we get 2 plus 9 into 5, that is 47. So 10th term of the progression is 47. In my next video, I'll discuss about a few more problems based on arithmetic progression. So till then, take care. Bye students. Thank you so much.